Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a box in Onshape CAD. So first of all, what we'll need to do is select the right plane to do a sketch. So for this tutorial, I will select the front plane and basically start a new sketch and select the center point rectangle. After that, I will put in the center, and as you can see, I will add a dimension tool. So I will basically be able to change the box dimensions. So for the width, I will put, let's say, 5 centimeters. And for the length, I will go with the 10. So let me put the 10. Okay. And now what I will do is extrude the box. So, sorry, the rectangle. So this is the width of the box that you're going to use that. So I will select 2.5 centimeters. Now what we'll need to do is select the extrude and click sketch again and select the extrude face of extrude 1. After that, you'll need to select again center point rectangle, and now just add another rectangle. And right here, what we'll need to do is basically again add dimension tool. So I'm going to use that, and let's say I will put 4 centimeters right here, and right here I will put 8.5 centimeters for the inside box length. Okay, as you can see right now. And basically what I will do is I put dimensions, so I will be able to, let's say, to make sure that it is in the center. So I will put again right here, and now as you can see it is 0.5, and I will put it right here too. So as you can see, it is 0.75. And now what I will need to do is basically use the extrude tool again and click on remove. And right here, my box height was 2.5 centimeters. I will write right here, let's say 2 centimeters. And now I will have the box, as you can see, like this. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.